Alrighty then. This is a relatively quick video about some inline fuse holders. These are 3 different styles that I ordered off of eBay. Originally, for this type, which uses the glass bus fuses, I had ordered, the description was these, but what I got were these. Mostly the same thing, they're just, you screw them in instead of being a bayonet mount. There's not much to say about them. They're relatively, ignore the crashing and banging, relatively good build quality. Crimped ends. This is 16 gauge wire, and this plastic, I'm not sure what kind it is. It's pretty hard stuff, either ABS or something else. We also have this type, and this is also 16 gauge wire. It handles these type of fuses that you plug in, and then you can cover up in a water resistant cover. Relatively good build quality. I mean, they are what they are. And then there are these. These also use this style fuse connector or fuse. This is 10 gauge wire, so it can handle a lot more amps, about 55 amps. Same thing, you have the cover. Pretty much everyone on eBay, they all sell the same thing. They're probably all made in the same place. That's basically it. Alrighty then, this is another really quick video. This is in regards to these small switches. These are rated at 20 amps, 12 volts. They're round. I'll see if I can find specs on the hole size. I measured it, and it seems to be around 13/16 of an inch. They are lit. When you order them, you get a package of 4: red, blue, green, and yellow. There's a common lead and an output, and then one of the leads is for the LED, which goes to negative. So when you turn it on, it lights. This light lights to indicate it's on. I've used these. They're easy to install, easy to use. And because of their high amperage rating, they're good for switching a lot of stuff that's car or boat related. That's about it.